Hello again guys, welcome to a new video and maayong gabi Canada, maayong hapon Pilipinas. Hello world. Okay guys, this evening we're just gonna do another quick video and try to catch up because it's been a week I didn't do upload because I was still in medication. And please guys, don't take any kind of alcohol if you take any kind of prescription drug, because it's not good for our body system. And today guys, let's start it. We're just gonna do a quick snack, Siopao and noodles guys. Okay, we're gonna start with the cup of noodles guys, because yeah, supposed to be I'm trying to get sleep, and then when I drink my medication, prescription drug was like totally strong, and my stomach start to basta murag naghilab guys, iba murag gigutom ba. So we're gonna try this noodles guys, snack time noodles and siopao. Lami kaayo. Kini siya guys, spicy chicken soup guys. Muna siyang buhaton kapag na ako'y prescription drugs guys, and then my tummy start a bit rumbling, and maraming mura kagigutom, naghilab. So mukaon din ko guys para kung atong tiyan guys ba, it help ba. And now, siopao. Kung ano siya guys, pork siopao. Dami kayo. And then, I'll put ketchup to it. As always, thank you for watching guys, and stay safe always. Pork siopao. Ano lang guys, purpan lang guys, purpan. And the noodles again guys, the noodles. Higop sa tagsabaw guys ba. Parang niya guys, cup noodles na guys, kanang light snack na siya guys, light snack. Kainit ba guys? Init kayo ba? And mga on dito guys, nang nalimot mo guys, mga on tali nyo guys, parang siya snack. Tawag ni guys, snack na siya guys, kaya kung tambal guys, pati isuga guys. So and then we go back with the siopao again. Almost done guys. Siopao. Lami kayo. Ang noodles po ba guys, nindot kayo sa partner po sa siopao guys. Good combo guys. Okay guys, last bite, siopao. Ang higop yung sabaw guys ba, sabaw sa noodles ha. And probably I will end up the video right here because the noodles is done as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.